Welcome to Technology Tuesday and Thursday. Today we'll be talking about arms and ammunition, the modern day weapons, handheld guns, perhaps machine guns, that sort of thing. I like this one. Okay, and once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever my audiences are. Um, so let's begin with uh, Heckler and Koch MP5 Shell Damper series. Common names: MP5SD, MP5SD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and N. The last one. Caliber is 9 times 19 millimeters. Overall length 21.67 inches, 55 centimeter with receiver cap. MP5SD 1 and 4. 23.97 inches, 61 centimeters with stock collapsed. MP5SD4, MP5SD3, 6 and N. 30.42 inches, 78 centimeter with stock fully extended. MP5SD3, 6 and N. 30.42 inches, 78 centimeters with fixed stock. MP5SD2 and D5. Barrel length is 5.73 inches, 14.6 centimeters. Rifling type and twist: standard profile 6 groove, right hand twist, one turn in 9.86 inches, 25 centimeter. A load is M882 NATO ball. Bullet diameter is 0.36355 inch, 9.02 millimeters. Bullet weight is 124 grains, 8.04 G. Muzzle velocity is 935 FPS, 285 M by S. Muzzle energy 241 feet pound. 327J. Weight empty is 6.17 pounds for 2.8 kg. For MP5SD 1 and 4, 6.83 pounds for or 3.1 kg. For MP5SD 2 and 5, 7.5 pounds or 3.4 kg. For MP5SD 3, D6, and DN. And this is a picture of the weapon. For Tuesday Technology and Thursday Technology Day. Today is a short demonstration of futuristic submachine gun, as you might put it. I hope you have enjoyed the show. I'm trying to bring in some arms and ammunition details for you. Pay attention 007. Thank you.